Hi everyone, revision for year 3 about Microsoft Excel. First, how to open Microsoft Excel. Press start and write Excel, then press on Microsoft Excel. We will take an example for Excel. Students. Here the student name, the first one, student 1, and then we can use fill handle to complete student names. We'll put the ICT marks and math and science. ICT mark 95, 99, 98, 97, math 99, 80, 95, 85, 90. Okay, science 88, 98, 89, 98, 65, 80. Now we will try to calculate the total of marks. First, we should write equal sign and write the cell reference of ICT for the first student B2 plus the math mark for student 1 written in C2 plus the science for student 1 D2. Then press enter. So we can copy the first formula like that. We use fill handle and press and move. So I'll calculate all the student. How to make a borders? First, we should select all cells of table and choose all border. How to coloring cells? We must select the cells we want to color and use fill color to choose the color. Good luck everyone.